Do you want to learn web development but you don't have a laptop? What if I tell you there's a way you can build real-world applications with just your mobile phone? No laptop is needed, just your mobile phone and consistency. Let me show you some things you can do with your phone. So with an application called Temus, you can actually run Node.js on your phone. Okay, look at it now. I am actually writing Node.js application. I can say console. Okay, I can say five. I can say 5 times 7 and hit enter to give me 35. I can say console.log. Oh, console.log. Okay, and anything I can do with my command line in my laptop, I can actually do the same thing here. I can say console.log hello world, and everything works perfectly. Okay, so this application is called Temus, and I can show you exactly how to use it. So with this, we can do so many things. Okay, so let me run a server, a Node.js server, a backend server. So I have this backend folder, and inside of it I have an index.js file that is running my Express server. So if I hit enter now, it's going to start the application for me. So it says server started. Okay, so let me also show you the index.js file. Let me show you the file. So when you take a look at this file now, you can see that this is an Express.js application. So this is a backend application, and this application is actually running on port 3000. So if I go to my browser now and go to localhost 3000, this application will run, and this is what was printed on the console. Say server started. So this is to tell you that you can actually use your phone to actually run both backend application and frontend application. Short, you can build a full stack application with your phone. So let me also show you a Next.js application that I created using this phone. If I say npm run dev, is going to npm run dev is going to start my front end server. So it is starting my Next.js application now. So look at it. It is just coming. Just be patient. Okay, you can see it has started it. Okay, it has started the application. Look at it, the application is now ready. So if I go to localhost 3000 now, if I go to my browser, localhost 3000. So if I go to my browser now, let me open my browser. So this is my browser now. If I go to localhost 3000, you're going to see that now the application. Okay, so if I go now and do localhost, okay, and hit enter, look at it, it is loading that Next.js application that I just started. So anything you can do with your laptop, you can also do it with your phone. So all I have to, I'm going to guide you step by step on installing all the applications you need. I will guide you step by step on installing all the applications that you need. So look at it now. You can see now that this is the Next.js application I created. I say, hello, I created a Next app from my mobile. So this is to tell you that you can actually use your phone to create web applications, front end and back end. All you need is my guidance, okay? All you need is my guidance. So my name is Wonha Paulson. I have created a 90 days program that if you follow it day by day from day 1 to day 90, you're going to use your phone to build full stack web applications. Okay, now I'll be teaching you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Next.js. I'll be teaching you MongoDB. I'll be teaching you Express.js. I will also be teaching you Node.js. Okay, so at the end of the 90 days program, you are going to build a real world application with just your phone. All you need is consistency. 30 minutes every day. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notification. 30 minutes every day. In the next 90 days, you can build real world application using your phone. There's no need for expensive laptop. There's no need for laptop, just your phone. If you're serious about this, I want you to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, share this with your friends, your colleagues, your classmates. Let them know that yes, you can build web applications using your phone. I have just shown you a little of what I have done so far with the phone. So if you're ready, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, because I'll be dropping videos like this every day. For the next 90 days, you're going to become a full stack web developer. So if you're going to be part of this 90 days program, I want you to type in the comment section, I am ready. Okay. If I get 100 comments, all right, I will know that there are people who want me to make this program for them. Type in I am ready in the comment section. If I get 100 comments and 100 shares, that means I know that people are ready, so that I don't waste my time. This is very hard for me to do. So type I am ready in the comment section, share this video. If I get up to 100 shares and 100 comments, then I would create this program for you.